What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is QD Yazdani and you guys watching my channel Wood. In the previous videos we have introduced Python and we have introduced all the applications of Pythons and how we download and use it in Linux, and what is Jupyter and what is IPython. Alright, so in this video we're going to see how we're going to download the Python on Windows. So if you guys go ahead and check your CMD. If you type CMD and you see the CMD means command prompt. So the command prompts come in and you guys check if you guys got a Python. Say if you guys type Python or say python.v and say Python's is not recognized, or say python --version. So if we type 3 of these and none of them says that the Python is installed, because Python is not in our computer, Python is not in our environment variable, and Python is not, long story short, Python is not installed. So we go there at the python.org and downloads and Windows, and we go all the way, we check that different messages that the Python's got. First thing first, if you guys got this is the latest version of the Python 3.95. This is the current and the latest version of the Python. The Python used to be to 2.78. That was the old version of the Python. But it says that the 3.95 cannot be used with Windows 7 or earlier. So it means that if you guys running Windows 7, don't install this Python 3.95, 3.9.5, because it's not going to run. Or Windows XP, Windows Vista, or any Windows 95, 97. I don't know if you guys still running 97, so good luck. So if you guys running Windows 8 or 10, that's fine. But if you guys running Windows 7 or Windows XP, go to the older version of the Python, which is 2.7. It's the same thing as Python 3.95. And the Python 3.95 is very powerful. It's got a lot of features, and because the Windows, old version of the Windows, none of them support this Python, because I'm not sure why Windows not supporting this sort of Python. And if you guys want to use, if you guys want to go to Windows XP or something, go to the older version 3.1. I would say 3.3, but don't download this 3.9 as the typing of this video is 2021. And it's June. So if you guys go to the like last year or something, and if you guys read this documentation, it tells you that 3.8 or you cannot be used Windows XP. So it means 3.8 you guys cannot be used on 3.9 cannot be used on Windows 7. And if you guys go down here and you guys see, it tells you the instruction which Windows which Python is used for which Windows. Alright, so we go here at download 64 Windows installer, because we need to install this stable release, which is the May 3 2021 3.95, which we're going to install. And if you guys go on the Windows installer, which is the recommended way of Python telling us to install, so we go there at the Windows installer, and you guys see that the Python 3.95 AMD64 executable files is downloading on my computer. So when it's downloaded, I'm gonna say open when done, because I'm in Chrome. So what I'll do is that I'm gonna tap this open when done, because Windows Chrome's gonna open it for me whenever it's done. So otherwise you guys can go here on these 3 dots and you guys look at here at your download history, and you guys can find this download, which is at the moment is downloaded in my computer. And you guys see that also install now, customize installation. And if you guys this is location, install now, and install launcher for all users, that's fine. And add Python 3.9 to path. It saves you guys from going to environmental variables. So if you guys go to environment variable, say if you guys go here at control panel, because every time you guys install new programming language, Java and other programming language, you guys needs to go through this installation variable. So Java, say if you install Java home, we have to point to this Java home, because and we look at the path. The path is Java home, and it says that add Python 3.9 to path. So it means the Python is going to put this in your path. So it says install now. You guys can choose this one or this one. So it goes to the user's home, app data, local programs, Python 3.9, and it's going to include idle, which is the IDE of the Python, PIP, which is the package installer, and documentation, shortcuts, and file association. So if you guys go, say, in this one, customize installation, so you guys can do this as well. You guys needs to do this, and it's asking you where do you want install for all users. You guys can do manually, symbols, and install debug binaries required 2017 or later. You guys can do this program files Python 3.9. So you guys can do both ways. It's up to you, and you guys can PIP Python, and we're going to check again that we put a Python 3.9 in our path. So you guys can install this one, or you guys can install this one. It's up to you. I'll go with customized installation, and I want to check all my documentation, PIP, TK, IDLE. So I want to go there, and I want to see if it's gonna program files Python 3.9, and I'm gonna press the installation. So the installation process is gonna begin. So the Python 3.95 core interpreter is downloading, and it says Python for Windows. You'll never make a mistake. You can't download Python Linux for Linux or Python for say Mac OS on the Windows, because it's not going to download for you. Alright guys, our Python 3.95 is installed. 64-bit I have just installed and installed successfully. And I'm here at the, you guys go here and type here environment variables and environmental variables, which is this window is going to come in, and we're going to check here that our path's got a Python 3.9 3.9 means 3.9 script, C program Python 3.9. So it means that Python is installed our in our path in environmental variable, and we can see that the Java home is also there. So because we Java installed Java earlier on, so looks like the Python has installed successfully in our Windows. So we're gonna press OK, and we're gonna press OK this as well. So we go ahead and put a CMD, and once that this one's open, we're gonna check our Python, and it says that Python 3.95 tags 3.95 is installed in our system. So there you go, guys. This is even Python thing. If you guys want to try this inside your CMD, you can try this. Say if you put a 2 3 plus 5, and you guys see 8. If you put a 10 plus hang on, say if you put a 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So it looks like this Python is even works inside your command prompt. You guys can run it inside the Windows. I'm in Windows 10, and I'm running Python. Say if you put a my name is equal to, and I'm gonna put a string Yazdani, and that's it. Now my name's got a Yazdani, and if I put a my name, it's going to show me Yazdani, because this my name's got this literal string Yazdani. So our Python is working perfectly now. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.